how to make a paper makeup pouch. So this is a very easy way of making a paper makeup pouch, and it's useful too. So you guys might have many makeup products and you wouldn't have any place to put them all in. So I've just got the perfect idea, and you guys can put all your makeup things over here. So I just put some makeup things over here. So I didn't put all of them. I just put some simple products over here. So I just have 3 lip glosses inside over here. And I also have 1 lip balm. And I have a mascara. And at last I have an eye pencil. So I just going to put only this much over here, since you can only have this much inside. So if you guys want, you can take a big pound paper and you can do it in a bigger size and then put all your makeup products in here. So now without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make this beautiful and cute pouch. So before that, I'm just going to be taking this all things out, and I'm just going to be putting all these things which can fit in here properly, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to close it. So if we put this over here, and there's like this yellow part over here, and you can close it. So if you take all the things out, you can just close it over here like this. If you guys want, you can even fold it over here and just do like that and apply glue on. You can do anything you like. So now let's get started. So first, I'm just going to be taking half of the paper like this. So I'm taking orange color paper. So you guys can take any color you like. So before that, I'm just going to be getting a black marker. So please wait. So now I have a black marker with me. So now, as I took the orange color paper, so it's a half of an A4 sheet. So I used half for making this one, and I'm taking the other half to make this part. So if you guys want, you can go and take your materials. So first step is that I'm just going to taking this paper and I'm folding it in half slowly like this. So step number 2 is that I'm going to be opening it and I'm going to be folding the paper on top over here like this. So after we complete this, I'm going to be taking this part and I'm going to be folding it to the top over here, and I'm going to be folding it to the down over here, and I'm going to be opening it again like this. Now I'm going to be folding this one and I'm going to be keeping this part open, and I'm going to be turning this paper over here and I'm folding it in the back part. But you should not fold it until the complete back part. I'm just going to be folding it until this line over here, and I'm turning it back. So now the next step we're going to be doing is that I'm going to turn the paper to the back side again, and I'm going to be folding it over here on the sides like this. So please do this slowly, because if you do it in a hurry, it won't turn out well. So now I'm going to be turning it to the back side over here, and as you guys see, we have like a small column over here. So now I'm going to be turning this paper back, and I'm going to be taking a glue bottle. So if you guys want, you can even take a glue stick, and I'm just going to be applying some glue over here on this part and over here on this part. So please do this slowly and do not apply more glue or it won't turn out well. So now I'm just going to be applying a little bit more glue over here, and as I said, I'm just going to be sticking it over here again. Slowly like this. Now, as you guys see, we'll have like a tabular column or something like this over here. I'm going to be applying some more glue over here, and I'm going to be sticking it over here on the side as well. So stick it and open this part over here, and after you open this portion, apply some glue over here and stick it back in. So after we complete this, I'm going to be turning it to the opposite side, and as you guys see, we'll have like a small column to put our things over here. So now our set is almost going to be ready. I'm just going to be taking the yellow color paper, and I'm going to be applying some glue over here at the bottom part slowly like this. So after we apply some glue, I'm just going to be taking this part over here, and I'm going to be applying some glue over here to the necessary size. Now I'm just going to be cutting the excess part out slowly. So now I'm just going to be doing this. So if you guys want, if you take the correct size. Now I'm just going to be folding this over here on the different parts slowly like this. So as you guys see, we stuck it at the back, and now we can turn it over here, and you guys can put your things over here, and after some time you can close it like this. So now I'm just going to be taking a black marker and I'm just going to be designing it. So I'm just going to be writing makeup pouch over here. So M-A-K-E-U-P. So I put makeup over here, and I'm just going to be writing pouch over here. P-O-U-C-H. So now you guys can put small decorations over here if you like. I'm just going to be cutting out this, and I'm just going to be making it in very small sizes. So I'm just going to be folding it over here and cutting it in half, and I'm going to be folding it in one more time, and I'm going to be cutting a small circle from here. So please do this slowly and do not do it in a hurry. So I'm just going to be doing it slowly like this. So now I'm just going to be opening it properly, and I'm just going to be taking these all parts out slowly like this. So please do it slowly and do not do it in a hurry. If you guys want, you can just cut it out in a perfect size. Now I'm just going to be applying some glue, 1 over here, 2, 3 and 4. So now I'm just going to be sticking one circle over here, another circle over here, third one over here and the fourth one over here. So after we complete this, I'm taking a black marker and I'm going to be drawing a small black dots over here in this part. So I'm just going to be doing this slowly, so you guys can give it some time to dry and later you can do that. So now it's the main part, decoration. So I'm just going to be putting small dots over here and I'm going to be drawing a few flowers around here. So at the back part, you can write anything you like and you can even decorate it according to your own wish. I'm just going to be using a black marker for the whole decoration because I don't want it to make it too fancy. So you guys can do anything you like. So now I'm just going to be turning into the back and I'm going to be writing my name over here. So please do this slowly. So I'm just going to be writing my name and you guys can write anything you like. So I've done my name and I'm just going to be drawing small circles over here just for decoration, and you guys can color them or you can even stick more color papers over here, stick gems, stickers or anything you like. So it's your wish and you can decorate it in any way you like. I'm just going to be giving you guys a simple idea. You guys can decorate it and give it to your friends and family members. You guys can also give them this own thing and they can decorate it by themselves if they want. So after we complete this, our paper makeup pouch is ready. So you guys can put many things in here. So I'm just going to be putting one lip gloss and I'm going to be putting a mascara over here, and I'm just going to be putting an eye pencil over here as well, and I might as well also put a lip balm over here. So I'm just going to take these two out, and if you do it properly you can close this over here and you'll be able to stick it properly like this. You guys can even make this in a proper design and make it nice and cute. So after we complete this, our paper makeup pouch is ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will receive a notification whenever I upload a video. Thank you for watching and please watch my channel for more interesting videos like this. So as I said, you guys can use your own creativity to design this. You can even stick these like small dots over here in the back and you can write your name. If you're a owner of a channel, you can write your channel name over here. You can do anything you like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Thank you for watching. Bye.